Good morning, children. Today we'll read about what a gem. It is chapter 18. Up to chapter 17 you all have already completed. So we'll begin with this chapter. Gem, stone. Gem means precious. It is the precious stone which occurs naturally. It is of different color and texture. It is used for making jewelries. Some stones are also made to imitate the actual gemstones. So those are called as imitation. Like zirconium dioxide. It is the artificial diamond, we can say. Some of the gemstones, precious gemstones that occur naturally are like ruby, diamond, blue sapphire, emerald, red coral, yellow sapphire, pearl, zircon, cat's eye. Ruby is pink red in color and it is crystal of six-sided prism. Diamond is the hardest gemstone found on the earth and it is used for cutting glasses, for making jewelries, and it is given shape. Its cutting and polishing is done mainly in Gujarat, Surat in Gujarat. Blue sapphire, it is navy blue brilliant stone and other name is Neelam. Blue sapphires come from Kashmir and are called Mayur Neelam because of their peacock blue color. Emerald. Emerald is another gemstone. It is bright green in color and Rajasthan is known for emerald mining. Next, red coral. Coral is obtained from coral reefs and generally comes in red or vermilion color. It is made up of organic materials from dead minute sea organism. Other is yellow sapphire, a blue or pale white stone. Its other name is Pukhraj. Pearl, as you know, it is moti, an organic material obtained from oyster. Pearl comes in a variety of shades ranging from white, off-white, pink, red, brown, creamy, etc. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are main pearl fishing centers. Zircon, a smoked red or dark honey-colored stone. Chemically, it is crystalline silicate of zirconium and occurs as a four-sided prism. In India, it is found in Kashmir, Bihar, Kullu, Shimla and Coimbatore. Cat's eye. It's a yellow or black colored stone with a shining band, which is similar to the eyes of a cat. It is also known as Sutramani and Vaidurya. Now we come to the next chapter, that is global concerns. Our planet and its inhabitants are facing a number of concerns, some of them related to planet Earth, that is global warming, ecological imbalance, extinction of animal and plant species, etc. These are the global concerns of the Earth. Other are about man himself: population explosion, food security, pollution, onset of incurable diseases, threat of nuclear annihilation, etc. These are the global concerns of Earth that are created by man itself. Now read on about some of these and be aware of what you are about to tackle head on. Pollution, a threat to our historical legacy. As you know that due to air pollution, number of harmful and polluting gases get mixed with the atmosphere and it reacts with the marble that is by that the carbon dioxide present in atmosphere reacts with marble, and the color of Taj Mahal is day by day fading or getting dark color. Child labor, childhood denied. According to International Labour Organization, there are some 250 million children between the age of 5 to 14 years are engaged in economic activities in developing countries alone. In this age group, 1 in 6 children, 16%, are involved in child labor. Many of them work under hazardous conditions, that is in mines or in factories, manufacturing chemical, glass, pesticide, dangerous machineries, etc. So throughout the world, this child labor is also of great concern, because the children that should take education, go to school, and their childhood gets totally destroyed because of child labor. So this situation should also be handled by the government in proper way. The age group of 8 to 16 years working in a number of hazardous enterprises. अब ये बच्चे जो हैं इतने कम एज में भी बहुत ही ख़तरनाक जगहों पे काम करते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ चाइल्ड लेबर. Their economic conditions force them to become child labor. Now next we come to deep sea mining, threatening marine life. Now technological advancement has now enabled man to look into the depth of oceans and sources minerals and fossil fuel deposits from seabeds. And deep sea dredging or drilling may be a profitable activity, but will it not offset the delicate balance of the symbiotic existence of marine life with its habitat? If a single oil spill can threaten the entire Gulf of Bay, as recently witnessed in North America, what would an accidental occurrence do to the water world? Means एक single ऑयल स्पिल सेंटर बे ऑफ बंगाल को के एक्वेटिक मरीन वेजिटेशन को अगर डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है, तो इस तरह से और भी अगर माइनिंग हुई तो वो हाउ डेंजरस इट कुड बी फॉर द मरीन लाइफ एंड कैन डिस्टर्ब द इकोसिस्टम ऑफ marine habitat. Now next we come to food crisis, that is hunger pangs. Many regions in Africa, South Asia and Latin America are facing the worst food scarcity for decades. Changing weather pattern, stagnant growth in food production and increasing population. These are the factors that cause frightening situation. Among 10% of global population remains undernourished, and environmental imbalance has worsened the scenario further. New agricultural practices and cultivation of arid region led by a second green revolution will bring relief to the hungry millions, but the danger lurks. So these are the concerns towards which government should be careful and take the proper aids to avoid these situations. Okay children, now question and answer of this chapter you will do yourself and will continue in the next period now.